Hey guys, we are nowhere but at the domain today. I will be covering a number of interesting things. Stick around so you don't miss a bit. I already parked and you will be seeing today hotels and apartment complexes, bars and restaurants, also shops and department stores. If you walk around the Macy's parking lot, you're gonna come to the front entrance of the store, or you can walk through the store itself from the parking lot. Cross streets here are Century Oaks Terrace and Esperanza Crossing. I thought this would be a great starting point for us because people usually meet each other here, whether you are having a business meeting or just waiting for your friend. Definitely, this is a spot to be used. If the weather is hot and you need to hide from the sun, you can do so under the trees. And this is, by the way, a whooping crane, and it's the biggest bird in North America. That's the Mopac Expressway, and it covers the borders of north and west of the Domain area. Initially, the Domain was planned as a shopping mall. Today, it is a business, shopping, and residential center. The pink building is a museum of ice cream. They are under the construction right now, but they promise to be open for public somewhere around August or maybe even September. By the time you're watching the video, they should be probably open. For those of you guys who didn't know, Kendra Scott was founded in Austin, Texas. To the north from here, it's going to be Mopac Expressway, and to the south, Breaker Lane. When talking about directions, it's very common to say north, south, east, or west. If you are looking for some shade or spot to rest while shopping, this would be a really nice corner for that. The Nike store is very new. It was open about a month ago or so, and the red parking is for retail shoppers. There are also pink, purple, blue, and green parking lots, and all five of them are open to all customers for self-parking at the Domain. This is a popular place on Rockrose Avenue. It's a 77 rooftop patio bar. You can have even hookah there. Also, they have a dance floor. We are at the end of Rockrose Avenue, and you guys are probably wondering, how much does it cost to live here at the Domain? I have a surprise for you. This is actually a view from the 6th floor, and I'm at one of the apartment complexes over the Domain. I will be showing you one bedroom apartment, and it's a model apartment. It runs for $2,250 per month, and the square footage is about 732 square feet. I actually got a permission to show you that, guys. Okay, let's check that apartment out. I'm starting from the entrance door. To your right, you can see the closet door. Once you enter, you're gonna come to the kitchen space, and in the middle, it has also an island. From the kitchen, you are entering the bedroom. And in case you are wondering if you can fit a king-size bed in here, that was the king-size bed. From the bedroom, you are entering the bathroom. And the first door to your right is going to be a closet. The next door is a laundry, and even though it's a model apartment, each apartment has already installed washer and dryer in it, so you won't have to worry about washing your clothes somewhere else. That's the bathtub and the remaining bathroom space. We are leaving the bedroom and here we are at the living area. That was the balcony I was showing you the view from, and that's the office space. More storage. And at the end you can see some more space. Maybe it reminds you about the mudroom, I would say, and the entrance door again. That was it, guys. That's what you get for about $2,250 per month in the Domain area. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let's continue our journey. We are at the park and it's called Domain Central Park. The name of it reminds me of Central Park in Manhattan, New York. Around the park, it's mostly apartment complexes. It has some grilling area, dog park, and gardens area. And the rest of it is mostly grass field. This is going to be mostly businesses area and you will see all those tall buildings along the way. AT&T is one of the major stores. That's the Whole Foods, the organic supermarket, and it was also founded in Austin, Texas. To the right, you're gonna see the parking. That's where the car is coming from. I also did my quick lunch stop in here and then I continued. And that's how the entrance looks like. This is the other side of Rockrose Avenue. Macy's, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, and Dillard's would be the major department stores, even though we are seeing mostly upscale stores around. That's the actual sign of the Domain, and that's the performance area where people can sit and enjoy the performances. And also there is the iPro movie theaters. I also have a picture from one of the Diwali performances. I believe that was a year of 2019. This is how the Domain sign looks like from the other side. And the last but not least, Flatiron Domain. This is an apartment complex and another name that reminds us of Manhattan, New York City, as they have their own Flatiron as well. I thought this was really interesting apartment complex to show you. And also it's at the South End district of the Domain. I hope this video was informative for you guys and you learned more about this area. If it was interesting for you, please leave me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.